Recovering deleted messages on Twitter can be challenging, but there are a few methods you can try to retrieve them. Follow these steps to see if you can recover your lost messages. Step 1. Check your Twitter archive. Log into your Twitter account and go to the settings. Request your Twitter archive, which may contain your deleted messages. Once you receive the archive via email, download it and look through the messages section. Step 2. Review linked devices. If you have access to Twitter on multiple devices, check those devices for any synced messages. Sometimes, messages may still be available on a device where they were not deleted. Step 3. Use third-party recovery tools. Consider using third-party data recovery tools that specialize in retrieving deleted data from social media accounts. Ensure that the tool is reputable and safe to use before proceeding. Step 4. Contact Twitter support. If the messages are crucial, reach out to Twitter support for assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about the messages you are trying to recover. Step 5. Regular backups. To prevent future loss, regularly back up your Twitter data. You can do this by downloading your Twitter archive periodically, ensuring that you have a copy of your messages and other important data. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Twitter may not always be possible, these steps can help you explore your options. Always remember to back up your data to avoid similar issues in the future.